Hello everyone. Today we will discuss the current affairs of 7th and 8th May 2020. So let us begin from the first question. Who has been appointed as the chairman of the Public Account Committee? So here the answer is Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary is appointed as Public Account Committee chairman. So here is the question that what is Public Account Committee? So in the next slide we will know to investigate the total expenditure of the government and its accounts. There is a committee established as Public Account Committee whose total members are 22 and 15 from Lok Sabha, which is known as lower house, and 7 from Rajya Sabha, which is known as upper house. So PSC chairman is to investigate total expenditure of the government and its accounts. Okay, so next question is World Athletics Day celebrated on. So on which day we celebrate Athletics Day, that is celebrated by the world, and the answer is 7th of May. So 7th of May, not every year we celebrate it. It is decided by the IAAF. What is IAAF? It is International Associations of Athletics Federation. So IAAF decides the day. Okay, so this year it is 7th of May. So IAAF chairman is Rosal Prezels and the president of IAAF is Sebastian Coe. It is formed in the year 1912 and the headquarters of IAAF is Monaco. So next question is which state government has launched Exit App for migrants? So the answer is West Bengal. So West Bengal government launched this Exit App for migrants. So those are working inside West Bengal but they are belong from other states or other parts of the country India. So for them it launched Exit App, Exit application, that is a mobile application. So in this application it will help to exit them from West Bengal and move them to their native states. So the answer is West Bengal. So here we know the information about West Bengal. So West Bengal's CM is Mamata Banerjee, Governor is Jagdeep Dhankar, capital is Kolkata, and the major rivers of West Bengal are Ganga, Hooghly, Damodar, Tista and others. And the folk dances, which is very important folk dance of West Bengal, it is called Chhau. So next question is Toman, the new proposed currency of which country? So here we know the answer, it is Iran. So Iran proposed a new currency which is called Toman, but here now it used the currency which is called Rial. Okay, so Toman will be the next currency which will take the position of Rial. So about Iran, its capital is Tehran and now the current currency is Rial and the president of Iran is Hassan Rouhani. So next question is author of the book titled Vision of Kargil, the life of a Kargil hero was released. So this book was released and the author of that book is both A and B, that is Colonel B.N. Thapar, who is the father of Bijan Thapar, and the writer Neha Dwivedi. Okay, so the both written this biography of Captain Bijan Thapar, who was died in 1999 in the Kargil war, and the age of the Bijan Thapar was 22. So he was very young at that time of Kargil war. So on him a biography written which is called Vision at Kargil, the life of a Kargil hero. Okay, so next question is who has been appointed as director in Central Board of RBI? RBI is Reserve Bank of India. So it's Central Board, there are various directors. Now currently new director also appointed and whose name is Tarun Bajaj. So about RBI, its headquarters is in Mumbai and it is formed in the year 1935, 1st April. So governor of RBI is Shaktikant Das, who is the 25th governor of Reserve Bank of India. And Reserve Bank is called the Apex Bank of India and also called the Bankers Bank of India. And there are 4 deputy governors in RBI in all India. Okay. So the next question is, who became the first state in India to facilitate midday meal ration? So the answer is Madhya Pradesh. So Madhya Pradesh government became the first state in India to facilitate midday meal ration. Why? Because now currently all schools are closed due to coronavirus disease. So the students are in home. That's why the government decided to deliver the midday meal ration to the students. That's why it facilitated this midday meal ration scheme. So it is started by Madhya Pradesh government, for which they will eat the nutritional food and will stay healthy and will also boost their immune power. Okay. So about Madhya Pradesh, the CM of Madhya Pradesh is Shivraj Singh Chauhan. Governor is Lalji Das Tandon, and the capital of Madhya Pradesh is Bhopal. The major rivers of Madhya Pradesh are Narmada, Chambal and Betwa. So next question is, Ayur Kavach app launched by which state? So it is Ayur means Ayurved, Kavach app means application. So Ayur Kavach application launched by Uttar Pradesh government. Here Ayurvedic medicines will be provided, and in this app the ingredients and the cureness or treatment of the Ayurvedic medicine will be shown, and the individual will know and use the Ayurvedic medicine to boost their immune system, for which they will fight against coronavirus disease. So about Uttar Pradesh, its CM, that is Chief Minister, is Yogi Adityanath. Governor is Anandiben Patel, and the capital of Uttar Pradesh is Lucknow, which is near Gomati river. And the major rivers of Uttar Pradesh are Ganga, Yamuna, Gomati, Betwa, Ghagar and Chambal. So the folk dances of Uttar Pradesh is Kathak and Nautanki, and Kathak is also the classical dance of India. So next question is, which country was awarded the World War II medal to Kim Jong-un, the leader of North Korea? So all of you know, recently there was a news that Kim Jong-un was died, but now he is alive, so he is not died. So here, why Russian government? The answer is Russia. Okay. So Russian government awarded the World War II medal to Kim Jong-un. Why? Because for preserving memories of Soviet soldiers killed in North Korea. So at the time of World War II, those soldiers are killed. At the time, North Korea preserved the memories of their Soviet soldiers. That's why Russian government has awarded World War II medal to Kim Jong-un, the leader of North Korea.